Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick little Dollar Tree haul of fairy garden supplies. Because I got some stuff at the $1 Tree. It was on my previous Dollar Tree haul. And then I went to the one that's closest to me that I normally go to see if they had more variety, because they didn't really have variety at the first one that I went to, from like what I've seen on videos. So I went to this one, and yes, I hit the jackpot. So if you want to see the other things I got, go ahead and check out that video. So I couldn't remember which little house I had picked up, so I just grabbed a couple more. So here's this little fairy house with the little windows and the little toadstool mushroom for a chimney. How stinking cute. These are tiny. They're so cute. I also picked up this one. This one's like a little, just a little tree. I love these. They're so cute. Look, they're like the little logs to the tree. So cute. Has the little windows upstairs. I'm like loving these. I also picked up this little windmill. They still have the stickers on them. Like, if you buy these things at like Hobby Lobby, they're freaking expensive. $1 for these. Look at the little windmill. It's so cute with a little window in there. Oh my gosh, I can't get over these. Look how cute. So there's the windmill. I also picked up just this little gazebo thing. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. They're so cute. So cute. And I also, look at the bridge. I picked up this little bridge that has the flowers on it. How adorable is this little bridge? Yeah, so there's that little bridge. And then I could not find, because I've seen that they have fairies and gnomes and like little teeny tiny, sorry, little teeny tiny accessories. And I could not find them. I'm losing my mind. I couldn't find them, so I asked up at the register. I asked the girl that was checking me out. I said, do you know if you have like the little fairies and the little gnomes? I said, I know that you guys have them. I said, but I can't find them over there. And she asked this other guy that was working, and he said, well, he said, let me look in the back and see if we have any in the back. So he comes out of the back carrying 2 cases. He's like, yeah, he said, we have 2 cases. I'll go ahead and open one for you. And oh my gosh. So he said they had 6 different varieties, like 6 different packs in this box. So I looked at them all, and I ended up getting all of them. So here are the little gnomes. Look at the little girl. So there's the little gnomes. I'm trying to not get a glare. So there's 3 gnomes in there. And this one has a little welcome sign, a little birdhouse, and a little teeny tiny light post. There's a light post, the birdhouse. And this is just a little welcome sign. Can you see this? It says welcome. So stinking cute. And this one has a little bird bath, a little wheelbarrow, and with a bird on it, and a teeny tiny watering can. How, like, these are teeny tiny. Like, look at my hands. They're so small. And then this one has a turtle, a snail, and an owl. Oh, they're so cute. And then, excuse me, this one has these little toadstool mushrooms, this little, looks like a little well spout, and then a little flower. So there's those teeny tiny accessories. And then the best part, the fairies. Look how cute they are. So this fairy is reading a book. This fairy is just sitting on a toadstool holding a flower, it looks like. And this little fairy is just sitting on the ground by some flowers. I hope you can tell how cute these are, because they are adorable. So yeah, that is everything I picked up to go with our little fairy garden that we're going to put together. Like I said, in my other video, I picked up different houses and stuff, and I got a bag of topsoil, because you can get a bag of topsoil at the Dollar Tree. And they have the bowls, like the clear bowl that you put your topsoil in. Ugh. And then you put your little fairy garden accessories in. So I got that. That's on a previous video if you want to check that out. And yeah, everything I picked up at that trip for our little fairy garden. You cannot beat $1 for fairy garden pieces. Trust me. Like I said, Hobby Lobby, they're freaking expensive. So yeah, that's everything I picked up there. If you want to see our fairy garden, I don't know when we're going to do it, but make sure you subscribe and click the little notification bell so you know when I post. And you'll be able to see our little fairy garden video because I'm going to film her putting together her fairy garden. So yeah, I thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the whole fairy garden idea. And I think I saw it on Do It on a Dime. I think she's the one that posted the video showing the little fairy garden. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it because Adrian has wanted to do one. And yeah. I even got like the little glass, little marble things. They have like the flat tops. Those are the stepping stones. Those are on my previous Dollar Tree haul. I'm so excited. Adrian doesn't even know that I got the stuff. I haven't told her yet. So I'll probably tell her after I pick her up from school here in just a little bit. So yeah, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.